30 minutes, 40 minutes. What time they start? About
Yeah, they started about 9:15.
Yeah, 9:45.
This is where it's going to get chaotic if something rains to the ground. Like that.
Or we're jumping in and going.
You see that, Cameron?
What?
You see how close those were to the ground?
Ooh, that's bad.
We've had a bunch of that blow up on the ground too, haven't we?
Yeah.
They just never take off and it shoots us.
Well, either we throw them at each other or they never take off. Put them in the tube upside down.
Yeah. Baby.
Wow.
Lexi.
Wow.
Man, and they get to watch the last scene of it.
Let's watch the end of them.
Look, baby, they're almost done. Look.
Here, I'm gonna put him in the truck. He can watch them tomorrow.
I know, we're fixing to go home.
I gotta get up, okay?
What that look like? I'm telling Mom.
I know, baby.
Okay. Can you help me get your car seat?
Girl's a cat.
That's a pretty wicked-ass video.
I don't know if that was the finale. They're still shooting.
Is it past the finale?
It might not have been a finale. It might have been the... There.
Whoa.
That was loud. Cheap one.
Little cheap A&E brake.
That was. Look, they're coming. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, that's bad. It's got green and silver in it. Look, look, look.
We're coming,
look.
baby. How's he buckled?
Look.
They kept going.
Yeah.
Some of them blew up like halfway up.
Yeah.
They're supposed to.
Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. He's probably gonna fall asleep.
Who? He's already asleep.
Oh, yeah?
No, he's not even talking.
No.
There's the finale. Yeah, that's the finale. You can tell there's 3 to 4 inches. Oh, there's a good one too. That's the finale. All of them blown up. It's done.
Yep.